Hello, little yogis. I'm Avi. Let's stretch, breathe, and have fun together. Follow each yoga pose and remember to smile. Mountain pose. Stand tall and stretch up high. Tree pose. Balance like a strong tree. Butterfly pose. Flap your butterfly wings. Cat pose. Round your back like a cat. Cow pose. Lift your head and chest. Cobra pose. Lift up gently like a happy snake. Downward dog. Stretch your whole body. Child's pose. Relax and take a deep breath. Happy baby pose. Smile and gently stretch. Easy pose. Sit tall and breathe slowly. Lion pose. Roar like a brave lion. Bridge pose. Lift your hips nice and high. Camel pose. Open your chest and stretch. Forward bend. Reach gently toward your toes. Boat pose. Balance strong like a little boat. Warrior 1. Stand strong and reach up. Warrior 2. Stretch your arms and stay strong. Triangle pose. Reach up and stretch sideways. Garland pose. Squat down and sit tall. Shavasana. Close your eyes and relax. Wonderful job, little yogis! You completed all 20 yoga poses. Keep stretching, keep smiling, and see you in the next yoga adventure.
Kav&Av, tune stories and rhymes for happy times. Kav&Av, tune stories and rhymes for happy times.